density that the inline-six couldn't match. While the big cam spread its displacement across 6 cylinders in a long, straight line, the E9 concentrated its fury into 8 cylinders arranged in a tight V formation. The numbers told the story that Mack never properly marketed. The E9 500 was rated at 500 horsepower and 1,660 pound-foot of torque at 1,300 RPM, putting it in a different league from most 400-horse big cams of the same era. But raw numbers only scratched the surface. The E9's torque curve was fundamentally different, delivering massive pulling power across a broader RPM range. Where a typical big cam peaked in the low to mid 1,300 RPM range and then gradually tapered off, the E9 held strong torque from roughly 1,100 to 1,500 RPM, giving drivers a noticeably wider power band to work with. The engine's V8 architecture created advantages that went beyond simple displacement. The shorter overall length meant better weight distribution, while the compact design allowed for better cooling airflow. Each cylinder bank had its own exhaust manifold, creating a distinctive sound that was unmistakably different from any inline engine. The E9 didn't just make more power, it made power differently. Mack's engineering philosophy with the E9 was simple: build it stronger than it needs to be, then build it stronger than that. The engine block was cast iron throughout, with cylinder walls thick enough to handle pressures that would crack lesser engines. The crankshaft was forged steel, balanced to tolerances that eliminated the vibration issues that plagued other V8 diesels. Every component was overbuilt for applications where failure wasn't an option. The E9's fuel system was equally robust. Mack used their own injection pump design, calibrated specifically for the engine's unique firing order and combustion characteristics. The Bosch inline pump delivered very high injection pressures for its era, contributing to the E9's strong combustion efficiency. This high-pressure injection created more complete combustion, contributing to the engine's impressive power output and torque characteristics. The engine's cooling system was designed for extreme duty cycles. Twin thermostats maintained optimal operating temperatures even under sustained high-load conditions, while the V8 configuration allowed for more efficient coolant flow through the engine block. The radiator capacity was oversized compared to inline engines of similar displacement, ensuring adequate heat rejection even in the most demanding applications. But here's where the story gets interesting. Most American truckers never saw an E9 in action. Mack installed the engine primarily in their own heavy-duty trucks, the R-Series road tractors and the massive RD Series used for construction and logging. The engine's thirst for